Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I'll show you how to link Otter.AI to your Zoom business meetings for automatic transcription. So now let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Otter.AI. Click on the official website to get started. Now log into your Otter.AI account. And once you're in, you will be on your dashboard. On the left side of the screen, find and click on Apps. Scroll down to find Zoom and click Add. Here, you will be directed to Zoom sign-in page. Log in and authorize Otter AI by checking the box and clicking Allow. Now, you will need to return to your Otter AI dashboard and go back to Apps. You should see Disconnect next to Zoom, indicating the integration is complete. And that's it. Your Otter AI is now linked to Zoom for automatic meeting transcriptions. Now, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Daily for more tips. I'll see you in the next video. And now, your Otter AI is now linked to Zoom for automatic meeting transcriptions. And that's all for this video. Now, if this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe.